I'm Ken Anderson with IDI Distributors, bringing you a quick video tech tip. If you're running a Graco E-Series machine, that's a Reactor E20, E30, Reactor 2 style, something like that, EXP machine, and you're considering rebuilding the pumps on it, inside the pump, you're going to have a check ball with a cage, possibly a spring on top, depending on the machine, a sleeve, and a pump shaft that runs up and down inside that sleeve. But that pump shaft is going to come very close to hitting the cage. When you rebuild it, you're going to take the second check ball seat out of the pump shaft, clean it up, make sure it's good, replace the seals, clean or replace the check ball. But when you reassemble it, make sure that you're using the correct Loctite on those threads, because if that comes loose while you're running the machine, that will hit that cage and damage the parts and possibly the drive system that drives that pump. This is also the case on any single component paint sprayers and things like that you may be running as well. I'm Ken Anderson with IDI Distributors. Thanks for watching.